Okay, the second question is n cube minus 3n squared m plus 3n m squared minus m cube. So it is directly the identity only. What is the identity? A cube minus 3a squared b plus 3ab squared minus b cube. Which identity is this? A minus b whole cube. So here what will be the A? N only, right? N minus what is B? M. So n minus m whole cube. So in the numerator we found n minus m whole cube. What will be the denominator? 5m squared minus 10mn plus 5n squared. So here again we have a square term in the numerator. But 5 is not a square. So what you need to do? No, take 5 outside first. So you will get m squared minus 2mn plus n squared. Okay, so that is the first step. Now you have what? A minus b whole squared, because it is a squared minus 2ab plus b squared. No? So that identity it becomes. So it is a minus b whole squared, right? This identity. So whenever you are identity you are writing, put like this. This term is called since, okay, not the emojis, okay. This is called since. No, this is since that identity we are writing now. So write it inside the bracket, the identity, and put this symbol. This symbol is called the since. So since this identity like that we are applying, or therefore this like that we will tell na, that is what. So inside the bracket you can write the identity. So it will become 5 into what will be it? M minus n the whole square. Correct? Again, the same thing. The 6s minus t whole square one question we did. Now same like that. See here we have n minus m whole cube. Here m minus n whole square. So first of all, we can write it in the question in the format of this question. So it will become n minus m the whole cube divided by 5 bracket m minus n whole square. Okay, so I will write like n minus m whole cube will become what? N minus m into n minus m into n minus m. Correct? Divided by m minus n whole square will become m minus n into m minus n. Correct? Yeah. So this n minus m and m minus n same numbers only. Only the sign is problem. Correct? So if I have taken one negative outside, what will happen? It will become minus bracket m minus n. Yeah. Right? N minus n plus. This becomes, if I am taking this negative outside, the m will become positive, n will become negative. Oh, yeah. Okay, so I am writing m minus n. Again, the next n minus m also become, if I took a negative outside, m minus n I can write. Okay, I have two m minus n only in the denominator. So this I am not writing, I am writing n minus m only. Okay, divided by 5 bracket m minus n into m minus n. Okay, so m minus n get cancelled, m minus n get cancelled. Negative into negative will become positive. This is minus negative and the sign. Okay, it is not, we are not subtracting, it is a multiplication only. So this negative into negative will become positive. So you will get the answer as n minus m divided by, we have denominator 5. So this is our answer. So that's why they are telling simplify the rational expression. See that rational expression, when you apply the identity, it becomes a very simple term, right? So this is what they are asking you to do. So the next question, the numerator first I will write w cube minus v cube plus x cube plus 3wvx. This identity we studied in the last class. A cube plus b cube plus c cube plus 3abc. Like that one identity we studied, na? So that identity you need to apply. Okay. So what is that? A cube plus b cube minus 3abc will come, right? A cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc minus 3abc is equal to a plus b plus c bracket a squared plus b squared plus c squared, then minus AB minus BC minus AC. This is the identity. Okay. So same like that. So why here plus it came because one is negative. Negative into negative becomes positive. That's why we got that. Okay. So this will become A plus B plus C. So you can put here since. Okay. So we have written the form identity. So it will become W minus V plus X into W squared plus V squared plus X squared minus WV minus Vx minus Wx. Right? And we have what? This. Huh?
That's a denominator.
Wait. Denominator. That is not the denominator. Denominator is W squared plus V squared plus X squared minus 2 WV minus 2 Vx plus 2 Wx. Na? So here we have W into V, right? W into minus V. According to our formula, minus already is there, right? So A into V we are doing. But here V is negative, so this becomes V. Whichever have V will become positive. Because minus of W into, like that, minus of W into minus V. So negative into negative will become positive, plus W. Here, because we have minus AB, that is our formula. A is positive. This negative is in the formula. Similarly, minus BC, also same. Minus B is what? X. And here C will be minus V again. So it will become plus WV, plus XV. So this also becomes plus. This become negative on it. Clear? So this will be the what? Numerator. Okay. What about the denominator? So numerator finished. So now denominator.
Maybe A square.
This is numerator. I am doing numerator and denominator separately. You can do it together also, denominator. Okay, so denominator will be W squared plus B squared plus X squared minus 2WV minus 2VX plus 2WX, correct? So it is A squared plus B squared plus C squared minus 2AB minus 2BC plus 2AC. Like that it comes, no? Correct? So, what is that formula? That is equal to A minus B plus C. The whole square. Correct? Okay. So here also we can, so you will get like W minus V plus X the whole square. Correct? Okay. So now what is the numerator? Numerator is W minus V plus X into W squared plus V squared plus X squared plus WV plus Vx minus Wx divided by W minus V plus X the whole square. So here 2 times it is coming now. So this get cancelled because both of them are W minus V plus X. You can write like into, next step you can write like this whole square. So this will get cancelled. So answer will be W squared plus V squared plus X squared plus WV plus Vx minus Wx divided by W minus V plus X. Okay. Copy it.
No, I am.
4y squared minus 20yz plus 25z squared. It is a very easy question only, this question. The before question, as I told, it is important. Third question is important. This is also important only. Okay, but that can have more marks mostly. 25z squared minus 4y squared. Okay, so here in the numerator, we have a square term in the first term and last term. So it will be in the form of a minus b whole square, because a squared minus 2ab plus b squared, like that only it comes. So it will be 2y minus 5z the whole square, because 2 squared is 4. That's why 2y minus 5z the whole squared comes. And in the denominator, it is in the form of a squared minus b squared. So a squared minus b squared is a plus b into a minus b. So a means 5z plus 4y. No, not plus 4y, it will be 2y, because square root of 4 is 2. And we will get 5z minus 2y. And in the previous questions also, I told, you can see here, this is 2y, here also 2y. Minus 5z, here we have plus 5z. So the negative and positive is interchanging in this. So you can take like that, it will become 2y minus 5z into 2y minus 5z divided by, here you will get 5z plus 2y. If I took a negative outside, I will get here also 2y minus 5z. Okay, so 2y minus 5z, 2y minus 5z get cancelled. So I have a negative over here. So it will become minus of 2y minus 5z divided by 5z plus 2y. That is, when I open the bracket, negative into 2y become negative 2y, negative into negative become positive. So it will become positive 5z minus 2y divided by 5z plus 2y. That's it. Next question is x squared plus x minus 6 into x squared minus 7x plus 12 divided by x squared minus 6x plus 8 into x squared minus 9. You do. Okay, so here the numerator we have not a square term. So it will be in the form of x plus a into x plus b. So minus 6 factor is 3 into 2, 6. So it will be x plus 3 into x minus 2. Because plus 3 minus 2 is plus 1. 3 into minus 2 is minus 6. Into here also it will become x plus 6 2s are 12, but that will not come. So we can do x minus 4 into x minus 3. Okay, because minus 4 minus 3 become minus 7, minus 4 into minus 3 become plus 12. Similarly, here you have 4 2s are 8. So x minus 4 into x plus 2 will work. Here a squared minus b squared term, so x plus 3 into x minus 3 will work. Now everything is multiplication, so you whatever is common you can cancel it. So final answer is x minus 2 divided by x plus 2. That's it. Try on your own first, then check the answer.